Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 8022e. This printer is a multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. This printer is using ink cartridges 912 or 912 extra large. This printer, you can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, USB cable. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included with the packaging. We have this at Venetex store, free delivery here in UK. I want to show you basically how to scan a document with this printer. This printer is with ADF, which is automatic document feeder. What I want to do is to show you how you can scan a document, print your document out, share this document out with other people. Okay, I have a book here I want us to use as an example. Stick the document you want to scan, okay, on the scanner. Now this printer is registered on my HP account, so and using the laptop to do this. Okay, check how we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network and also connected it to laptop. And this is this printer, HP OfficeJet Pro, and this is the ink. Okay, and what we need to do now is we need to select scan. So using a mobile device, what we need to do is on your HP smart app, select scan. Okay, and now once you select scan, the next you need to do is you need to select the source. The source is glass scanner. If you are using ADF, then you select ADF. What you are doing now is selecting the source, and document type is document, not photo. If you are using a photo, then you select a photo. Okay, and scan area is the entire surface. Document we want to scan is colored. If you want to scan it black, then you select black. Scroll down to select gray for black color. And also resolution is 300 dpi, which is standard. You can select resolution up to 1200 dpi. Okay, so we leave it on standard and select scan, and it starts scanning now. So this document is scanning. Okay, so the document is scanning. Okay, can see the document will scan. Will tell you from the printer that scan sent, and you can see this is the document. If you want to scan the second one, open it up. Okay, turn it upside down. You can do this as many as you like. Okay, and on your printer again, select add. Okay, so select add. If you want to do another one, make sure you select add in order for you to scan another one. Once you select add, the same procedure, select scan. So now we are scanning the second page. Because this is smooth. You can also do from the setting, you can change it to be quiet mode as well. Okay, so this is the second document we scan. Okay, you can see the first one, and this is the second. I'm going to bring this so that you can see. So this is the second, and this is the first. And now, to share this document, okay, what you need to do is you have the option to print this document. If you look on the bottom, okay, of your PC, if you look on the bottom of your PC, you have print, save, share, shortcut, fax, and text extract. Now, what we want to do is we want to print this document first, okay, or you can either way share this document. Okay, let's say I want to share this document. I need to select share. Now, this document, then from the share, you select basic PDF. Okay, select share, make sure it's PDF. Now, from this platform, then you select where you want to send it to. So it's showing us the email address. I'm going to send it to email, and I'm going to send this back to myself. So if you are sending it to any person, you just need to put, okay, this document now is attached to my inbox. So you need to put the email address of the person and put your subject and send this document. Okay, so now I'm going to put my email address to send this document back to myself. Okay, and click send. So this document now is sending to, okay, is sent to my inbox, to my email. Now the next I want to show you is, if you want to save this document, select save. If you select on save, select basic PDF, select save. Okay, now it takes you to document, then you choose where you want to save this document. I want to save this document maybe to, it's in document on my PC. You can scroll down and select it anywhere you want. Okay, you can scroll up. I want to save it to the picture, for instance. Okay, into gallery, click save. So this document now is saved on my picture. If you look at it, it will show you owner's picture is saved on my picture. Okay, now the other thing I want to show you is, okay, if you go to the picture, then okay, so the document we sent to my email has just arrived. Okay, I'm going to go to my email now. This is the document sent to my inbox, and here it is. Click it, open. Okay, this is the first one, and this is the second one. The documents are inside my inbox. Okay, now the other thing I want to show you again is, if you go to my picture gallery, so this document now is sent to my picture. Then go to start. Okay, look for photo or pictures, and once you look for pictures, go to the picture and look for the document. The document you send will be on their pictures. Okay, only what you need to do is you need to check the document you send, where you send it. Okay, now to print this document out, select print. Okay, this is the document. Now what we need to do is we need to wait for this to be ready. Okay, here we go. So these are the documents. Okay, and make sure, select the printer and make sure you are selecting the correct printer, which is HP 8020 series. Okay, it's selected. Now we scroll down and look for the next is orientation. Orientation is portrait or landscape, and document paper size is A4 paper. I do receive questions, people asking me, how do you print out pictures? I'm also going to show you how to do this. Okay, and photo size full page. Select layout, one page. Okay, one photo per page or multiple photo per page. You can select multiple photo per page or one photo per page. Okay, also borderless printer. Now I scroll down. Okay, and select print. So this document now is printing. This is the first one. This is the first one. Okay, the second one is coming out. We printed this, okay, colored, very quick. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, we printed this colored. Now I want to show you, if you want to print this black, okay, select print again, select print. Now make sure you select correct printer. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to be ready. Okay, scroll down. Okay, scroll down to more settings. Okay, this is more settings. Now you can see the size A4 paper. Color, we want to change it to grayscale or monoscale. Okay, and also print on both sides. Select print on both sides. Yes. Can also, yes, flip over or flip up. Okay, and select OK. Okay, now the next you need to do is select print. So what we are doing is we selected to print this document black. Okay, here we go. You can see you can print double-sided. So this job is doing it automatically. It's printing on the other side. Okay, it's not actually written on the printer, but it's just for us to see that you can actually print double-sided with this printer. Okay, here we go. So this document now, we printed it black and white, double-sided. Initially we printed it colored, single page. So this is how to do this. Okay, we printed it black and white, double-sided. Okay, and also I've shown you how you can and it tell you your printing job is on the way. Okay, start saving now, not now. Okay, so this is how to do this. Okay, if you're happy with this process, okay, how you can save the document, scan your document, print it out double-sided, and also print it out single page colored, and also share this via email with other people, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to scan your document with this printer. Thank you very much. Also check my next video, how to scan using ADF. If you're happy with this process, do consider to subscribe. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.